how to force restart an Asus laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a force restart of your Asus laptop to fix issues such as it's frozen, not responding to touch on the keyboard or your mouse, anything like that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So it's really easy to force restart our laptop. All we need to do is first find the power button. So on my laptop, it looks like that and it's in the top right. It might be a little bit different on yours. You just want to find the power button and hold it down for around 10 to 15 seconds. So I'm going to start holding it down. Keep holding it down until you see the screen turn off. You might see the backlight on your keyboard turn off or even hear the fans turn off. Once it turns off, hold it down for around 5 seconds longer, and then you can let go and then hold down the power button for around 2 to 3 seconds. So we're just going to force it to turn back on now. Give it around 5 to 10 seconds. You should see the screen come back on and it start booting up. And then once it boots up, it'll be responsive and it'll start responding to your mouse and your keyboard touches, anything like that. That's how you force restart an Asus laptop. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.